Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one nice refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is Watermelon Lagoon Mocktail. Very simple mocktail. Take a cooling glass and at first add some lime slices. Then you have to add some fresh lime juice. Add fresh lime juice. Then you have to pour some Sprite. After that you have to fill the glass with soda. Then simply you have to pour 15 to 20 ml of watermelon syrup. And serve with, stir it. You can add ice cube also and garnish with lemon slice. See, your refreshment mocktail is ready. Watermelon Lagoon mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video.